Hello, sports fans. I'm Ralph Luck. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck, where Ninja, my martial arts cat, and I have been full-time in the RV right here for over 2 years. 99% of the time, boondocking. No home base, nothing in a storage shed. So today, very important day. I'm on state land where I'm going to be for 2 weeks until my follow-up doctor's appointment. I'm so sick of doctor's appointments. But today, black tanks are full, water's empty. Yeah, I have 12 gallons in the car, but propane's low. So we're gonna dump tanks, we're gonna get water, we're gonna get propane. We're gonna do laundry, always exciting, at a new laundromat. We're gonna hit the Planet Fitness to shower. Then plopping right back here for Dick Clark's New Year's Eve. Yes, it's December 31st, New Year's Eve. I know where you're at. It's already past New Year's Eve. And I hope you all had a wonderful New Year's Eve and a great 2024 ahead for you, your family, friends, me, Ninja, for all of us. We deserve a great 2024 because 2023 was, yeah. All right. So I'm going to get rolling. And everything's packed away in the RV. The propane's inside. Motion sensors and lights all inside. Ninja, I think, is still in her bed above me, but I'm sure she's going to jump down any second. The slide out is in, and most importantly, the tow dolly and the car are completely disconnected. So we should be able to pull forward just fine. Got the hood down here, but we should only be gone, what, 3 to 5 hours. Here we go. I've been meaning to show you guys this. I've got the mirror of the RV here for scale. Let me zoom in on that. See that plum? Starts out small at the base, goes up larger. That's vented steam from the Palo Verde nuclear power plant. Yes, about 15-20 miles out there approximately in the West Valley of Phoenix is a nuclear power plant. Been running here since, I don't know, I'll post it below the little cloud there when I believe it first opened. If I were to guess, I'd say, I don't know, 70s. Palo Verde nuclear power plant. I hear the tours are quite excellent. All right, well, it's an approximate 13-mile trip on the I-10, going from where I am in Buckeye into, I believe, Avondale. We'll go through Goodyear. There's the sign, Goodyear next 7 exits. But out here in the West Valley, yeah, there's cities, kind of, yeah, even Glendale. Cities go north to south, and you can go through them as you're driving east to west pretty quick. So we're already out of Buckeye, I believe, at least in a mile or so. Then we'll be into Goodyear. Then we'll be into Avondale. And that 13 miles is still keeping us in what's called the West Valley. But we're going to go to Pilot. It's strange. I've got apps, iOverlander, that talks about water and dump stations. I've got another online app, dumpstations.net or something. I've got the Loves and Pilot and Speedway and Maverick apps. And then, of course, you got Google Maps. And between all of those, I had to do some searching to find, okay, which one has a dump station? The Loves supposedly doesn't have water at it anymore, which, that stinks to have a dump station with no water, literally. This one's supposed to have water. It's supposed to be even potentially potable, but really it all is. And this one, you're supposed to be able to run your credit card at the dump station, not have to go inside, and they have propane refill. And I'm going to gas up the RV since it's a little below 3/4 of always good to have a full tank at the start of the new year. What's nice is being a weekend and being New Year's Eve, there's not a lot of people on the road. I don't suppose today's a big travel day. I would think maybe Friday or Saturday would be. I think today's Sunday, New Year's Eve the 31st. Either way, Friday would have been the big travel day, if not even Thursday. But here I am doing 65, and you can see cars just flying by me. But we should be there in another few minutes. And you all know the routine, but you love it so much, I've got to show it to you again. Right, there's where I came in off the freeway. Funny thing is, that intersection that way, for 2 years, I'd take that off the freeway to go to where I worked in the warehouse at Cummins. Yes, Cummins, own and generator, Cummins diesel. But I want to show you the importance of reading the reviews and looking at Google Maps, because this is actually the truck entrance. If I didn't know better, then I turned into the car RV entrance over there, I'd be SOL. But I read the iOverlander reviews. It said take the truck entrance, and it's close to the store. And here we are. And sure enough, there's where the diesels go to get weighed and gas. But Google Maps showed me a good picture of this from the sky. You could usually tell by the layout of the concrete and things where you're going to park. And voila, $10, takes credit cards just like it said. Let's hope this is nice and easy. And, all right, tank's flushed, water going in. Need 32 gallons at about 3 gallons a minute. It's gonna take a little bit. All right, full on water, getting gas, and they don't have propane, so we're off down the road a mile to Tractor Supply Company to get propane. Well, the good news is Tractor Supply Company was right across the street, not even a tenth of a mile. The bad news is they're out of propane, so it's time to find propane. And a little DiGiorno rising crust pizza for New Year's Eve dinner. We've got some Four Locos in the fridge. And going to be just relaxing and enjoying this. So the pizza was delicious. It's the only thing I've eaten all day. So yeah, it's fattening, but that's one meal I had today. I did get a call from my camping friends inviting me over with the group they were going to be with on New Year's Eve, not at their home, but right down the road. But I told them, you know what, it's 30 minutes each way. The bug's got the bad window. Check engine lights on. I'm wondering if it's got a gasket issue on the head cylinder or something like that. I'm not very mechanically inclined with engines until I Google, and then I kind of know what I'm doing, or YouTube. But I told him I was going to pass. I'm going to celebrate with me and the cat. I'm actually looking out the bedroom window now, and there have been fireworks going off on the horizon within about 2 miles of me for the last 4 hours. It's about an hour before midnight, and oh, there's another one. I mean, they're going off every minute, different places, different houses. Pretty exciting. Maybe people at parks, I don't know. I did not go to the Planet Fitness. I want to say that I desperately needed a shower, wanted a shower. I was starting to be like that cartoon, Itchy and Scratchy, but I thought another night of baby wipes would get me through till the second, and I'll go to Planet Fitness in the Bug. Nice, calm, plenty of time. Tonight, I rolled in about 20 minutes before sunset. I was able to have time to back in the RV, get it set up pretty much almost exactly where it was, put back up my security lights and camera, and front porch mat, front chair, and be able to just relax and watch the beautiful sunset, and a YouTuber that was live for a little bit around sunset here also in Arizona. Hi, Amanda. Adventuring with Amanda, in case you were wondering. Her and Maddie Van Halen. But ninjas on my legs, it's actually kind of warm. It says it's 54 degrees out, but there's like no breeze. So I've got the bedroom window in front of me all the way open with the screen, but there's just no air coming in. And if I wasn't so lazy, I'd take off the hoodie. That's how cool it is. But my legs are in the sleeping bag, which is a like 0 degree bag with Ninja on top of my legs. So my legs are like on fire, burning up. I mean, literally sweats on with no socks. My feet, I think, are sweating. Good thing I'm going to take a shower in 2 days. And the front screen door is open. Oh, no, it isn't. I closed it a little bit ago after Ninja came in like an hour ago. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you had a very happy new year, and I hope 2024 is a wonderful year for you, me, Ninja, your friends, your family, and your pets, your fur babies. Be positive, be nice, be active.